Assalamu alaikum. Today we're going to talk a little bit about a couple of these orthodontic instruments. Feel free to contact me if you have any questions at +92 321 and I'll be happy to answer your questions even on WhatsApp. Anyhow, this instrument is used to hold the bracket. It's a passive instrument. That means you have to actively open it up, and once it grabs hold of the bracket, you let it go and it keeps on holding the bracket till you can place it into the right place and nudge it into place. If you notice, I've cut a little slot at the end of it right there. That is to help me push the wire in case I'm also using self-ligating or other kind of bracket. The wire, this little slot would hold the wire, and I can shove it to push the wire into the slot. On the other hand, here is a placement guide also to level the bracket itself in rotation, but I've also cut in two slots, little wider and little thinner slot. These are also used to rotate or tuck in the wire. It makes it helpful as we are placing the brackets and the wires into the brackets. Now this is a bracket placement gauge. Normally it comes as a fixed part. Long time ago we got this on a hinge, some 20 years ago. So this way you're able to take it towards the back tooth. Normally they write down the measurements like 3.5, 5.0, and then 4 and 4.5 on the side. But when you're placing it, I want to see which one I'm using. So I took a bird and I carved in 4.5 right there, and on the other side too. So that way I'm sure every time I'm placing the bracket which measurement am I placing it in. So I would suggest that if the manufacturer doesn't make it like this, you use a little burr and you carve the numbers in. The next ones I get made by the manufacturer in CL code, I'll have them carve these numbers on all sides, so it's easier. A lot of times this is a very thin point, but I got these made nice and wide to make sure that when it rests on the incisal edge, as it rests, there is no play into it. So that's what I would suggest, at least having these two instruments for your ortho bracketing and putting the wires, and it'll get you excellent measurements.